know they say life is but a game. What if I tell you, mate, that this life isn't just any game? It's a high-stake poker game, a very complex piece of chess. To be a man is not just about having XY chromosomes. It goes beyond genetics. It's not just about the daily grind or the never-ending hustle story. It's something deeper, something more insidious. You see, imagine a world where our men break free from the constraints that have long dictated their lives. It's not just about personal success. No. It's about rewriting the rules of the damn game. So buckle up, bro, as we dive into 5 crucial lessons that men often learn too late in life, and how this realization can reshape their existence. Number 1, no one got your back. The olive beings that are not being loved for who they are men. Even dogs are being loved for being dogs. Only men, we are being loved for what we can offer. That's just a fact. And nobody got your back. Nobody's coming for you. You are all you got. That's just the sad truth. You are your own responsibility. Take it or leave it. That's your business. 2, emotions are not weaknesses. They are strengths. Yes, you had me right. In a world where it is said that men should not show out emotions, they should bottle up, keep it inside. In the heat of that brainwashing lie, I would say to you, emotions are strengths, not weaknesses. You see, emotions are only weaknesses if you allow them to influence you negatively. We are seeing men who have grown from the dunghill to sit and dine with kings because of emotions. If you see a man working hard to better himself because of emotions, it's only weaklings that will allow emotions to affect them negatively. You must embrace your emotions. Cry if you have to, but make sure when you cry for it once, even your children won't have need to cry for that issue again. Number 3, health is more than just physical fitness. Health encompasses more than just physical fitness. Mental and emotional well-being are equally important. Hey, wait, relax. I'm not talking down on hitting the gym. Even myself, I'm a strong believer of hitting the gym. I do it regularly because hitting the gym has its benefits. You know, it teaches you patience, teaches you resilience, teaches you consistency, and this doesn't stay in the gym. They transcend to other aspects of your life. I will talk about that in another video. As much as you hit the gym, you work on physical fitness. It's good. What is also good is you reading books, growing your spiritual life, growing your mental health. Yes, working on it. Read books, meditate, connect with your creator, connect with your inner self, find the purpose of your life, disconnect from the social media, disconnect from the world for a bit and connect with yourself. That's healthy living. Number 4, relationships are two-way streets. Men often learn too late that successful relationship requires effort, understanding and compromise from both parties. You are not just about providing or protecting, but it's about mutual respect and communication. Number 5, the journey matters as much as the destination. Society tends to glorify end goals and achievements. Many men find that the true value lies in the experiences, challenges, and personal growth along the way. You see, as much as the champion is being celebrated, but the champion's pain, his story, must also be studied and must also be emulated. Let me tell you, if you are following successful people, following their life story, and all you see is their success, you might never reach their peak. You might not even get close. You must see also their pain, their struggles. In fact, these are what you should see, the pains and the struggles. These lessons, though often learned too late, hold the key to a more fulfilling and liberated life. So question the status quo, challenge the norms, and embrace this truth before they become mere reflections of a distant past. Your journey and your liberation start now. It doesn't matter whether you've seen this video at age 16 or you see this video at age 40. Something can still be done. Embrace these lessons, make them a part of your life, and your life will change forever. If you want to level up on all sides, consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell. Till we meet again, let's become better.